Hello and welcome to Supermatics YouTube channel. Our video today is a math tutorial on how to find the LCM of 2 and 3 numbers using the method of prime factorization with the product of the prime factors expressed in index form. We shall begin with the LCM of 36 and 40, and we will be adopting this kind of division in order to express each number as a product of its prime factors in index form. So we'll be using prime numbers to divide until 1 is obtained. Starting with 2, we've got 18. 2 can go in 18 again, so we use it to divide, and that gives 9. And using 3 gives 3, and 3 in 3 is 1. This means that 36 written as a product of its prime factors in index form is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Next is to express 40 as a product of its prime factors. 2 is also used, and 2 going in 40 we give 20. Dividing 20 by 2 gives 10. Using 2 again gives 5. And finally, 5 is the next prime number, so using 5 to divide 5, we got 1. 40 is then written as 2 to the power of 3 times 5. That's just to the power of 1. Now, the LCM. Looking at 2, that's the second power of 2 and the third power of 2. The lowest number that this can divide is the third power of 2. If we had gone for the second power of 2, then 2 to the power of 3 cannot divide that. But 2 to the power of 3 can be divided by 2 to the power of 2 and also 2 to the power of 3. Then, the lowest power that the factor of 3 here can divide is 3 to the power of 2, which is actually the only one. And 5 also will be part of the LCM. And this means the LCM will be the product of 8, 9, and 5. And that is 360 as the LCM of 36 and 40. The second example is to find the LCM of 18, 42, and 60. So starting with 18, using 2, we have 9. 3 in 9 is 3, and 3 in 3 is 1. 18 is thus 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Next is 42. 2 can go to give 21. 3 will divide it to give 7, and 7 in it is 1. Hence, 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. And finally, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Divided by 2 again is 15. Divided by 3 is 5. And divided by 5 is 1. Such that 60 is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5. And now for the LCM. All the prime numbers here will be part of the LCM, which means we have 2, we've got 3, we've got 5, and 7 in the LCM. But then, the least power of 2 that can be divided by all the 2's that we have in the factors here is 2 to the power of 2. And that goes into the LCM. Likewise, 3 to the power of 2 is the least that can be divided by the 3's in the factors. Then we have times 5 and times 7. This gives 4 times 9 times 5 times 7. And therefore the LCM of 18, 42, and 60 comes to 1,260 when multiplied. I believe after watching this video, you can find the LCM of 2 numbers and 3 numbers using prime factorization in index form. Here is one for you. Find the LCM of 24 and 30. Share your answer with us in the comments. Like the video. Help us share it. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our videos, any updates from our channel. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.